Attention everyone! Are you tired of tedious and time-consuming tasks that take away from your productivity and creativity? Do you wish there was an easier way to get things done? Well, we have some fantastic news for you. We are thrilled to introduce software that will revolutionize the way you work. With this tool, you can create TaskBots instantly, without writing a single line of code. That's right! Say goodbye to the frustrating process of coding and say hello to a more vibrant and lively work life. Imagine how much more you could accomplish with this time-saving and innovative solution. So don't wait any longer. Join us and discover how this powerful software can transform the way you work. So, let's begin. So, you can understand the software I am talking about by looking at the thumbnail. That is ZeroWork Creator App. With ZeroWork Creator App, you can automate repetitive tasks with logic-based workflows that mimic human actions. Their TaskBots can automate searching, typing, clicking buttons, collecting data, and performing basic site actions. That means you'll be able to collect information from social profiles, send DMs across platforms, and manage Facebook ad spending on autopilot. Plus, you can sell TaskBots you build with the Creator app in the ZeroWork marketplace and generate recurring revenue. What kind of no-code TaskBot can you create? Auto-collect and qualify leads. Collect IG users based on hashtags. Collect FB group member names, profile links, and profile data. And collect and qualify LinkedIn profiles and relevant data. Auto-like, comment and follow. Automatically engage with your target audience. Warm up cold leads by first auto-liking and commenting. And automate follows and initial outreach. Auto-connect and DM. Automate and personalize DM outreach. Send targeted connection requests on all platforms. And target your follow-up automatically. Steps: sign up for Creator App. Start building your TaskBots in our no-code Creator App. You can learn by watching videos. Once you've tested your new TaskBot, you're ready to start the publishing process on the marketplace to start enjoying recurring revenue from subscribers. Publish your TaskBot. Manage your published TaskBots, edit, unpublish, or pause anytime. Now end users can subscribe to your TaskBots on the TaskBot market. Enjoy! They charge a 30% commission on every sale you make. And boom! Start earning money. Price: they have 3 plans. Starter, for startups and freelancers for $40. Build monthly. PRO, for committed TaskBot creators for $100. Build monthly. Enterprises, custom pricing. That means you need to contact them for this plan, but they have a 2 lifetime deal. Tier 1, for $79 instead of $480. And Tier 2, for $189 instead of $1,188. Features included in all plans: no-code builder to create TaskBots, condition-based logic to set daily or weekly DMs or profile visits, unlimited local executions of your TaskBots with a lightweight agent installed on your desktop, run TaskBots in the background, unlimited parallel run of multiple TaskBots, save or process data in data tables, manipulate data by removing words, splitting, extracting, or converting formats, send or receive data with configurable API calls to or from any other platform, native Google Sheets integration, webhook triggers, integrate TaskBots to your own Zapier and make workflows, beta, send ready-to-use TaskBots to client accounts with one click, publish TaskBots on the marketplace and generate recurring revenue, scheduler executed by the local agent, beta. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 16 reviews on the AppSumo, and Trustpilot has 6 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software.